Hey you guys, it's Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're someplace I have never ever brought you before. I have said in the past that in 2025, I want to revamp again how I do my eBay selling. That means that I'm shifting my focus for items that I put on eBay, and I'm looking for certain exclusive items that fit in a certain criteria. I also wanted to branch out and start sourcing product that I genuinely enjoy, because I do believe that if you enjoy the product you're selling, you are more easily able to list it. You enjoy sourcing it more. You know, that was one of the reasons why I got into selling cosmetics like I did. I love cosmetics. I love how simple and easy they are to list. I love the sorting process. I love the sourcing of it. I love everything about cosmetics. But I said revamp, meaning I want to change what I do. So I started thinking to myself, what else can I sell that also fits in the new criteria that I set for myself regarding space and shipping weight and ease of listing? And then it occurred to me, I want to sell more media. And fortunately for me, there is a place in Wichita called ICT Books. And ICT Books is not just your typical bookstore. They actually bring in truckloads full of pallets of liquidation of books, DVDs, CDs, Blu-rays, and I think there might even be some other stuff in there that I didn't even mention. And everything is a flat price per piece. Everything is $1.25. I think the Blu-rays are $2 if I'm not mistaken. So everything is $1.25. That means that you get 4 items for $5. I've been in here a few times and the merchandise is surprisingly organized very well considering. So I wanted to take you guys on this adventure with me today and see if we can find any high value DVDs. So this is the book room, but I am not going to be looking for books today. I'm going to this room right here, although I do need a basket. Got my basket ready to go. It looks like these are all children's. Also, pallets of kids' DVDs here. These are all action and adventure. So they're categorized by genre, but they're not alphabetized or anything. Do have audiobooks. More palettes. There's, looks like a comedy. So those are all comedy. Those are all drama. Those are all action adventure. All the audiobooks are right here. They even have video games. That's what I was forgetting. They do have video games too for $3. This is the extent of that. So not as many, but there's some video games. And these are DVD box sets, which I'm probably going to spend most of my time here with the DVD box sets. And then, oh, here's CDs, more TV box sets, more CDs. I'll probably spend some time over here too. These are all brand new and sealed. They have those separated, so that's nice. There's my favorite section, horror. Oh yeah, I could spend some time over here. big horror section. There's a palette. And then over here they have more Blu-rays. It looks like they're a little more categorized over here. And then these are all TV shows. And there's CD section. I don't think these are categorized at all. More, what are these over here? Oh, just more CDs. And there's an entire room for Blu-rays. A lot of these, it looks like categorized. That's nice. They're grouped together. Disney, DC movies. I don't know, are Blu-rays worth more than DVDs now? Ooh, there's some horror. I just want to pull one to see if a Blu-ray is actually worth more than a DVD. I do know I have to find the more obscure ones, like the big titles. There's probably a ton on eBay, but you gotta find the ones that aren't so common. So that's kind of what I do with the DVDs. Blu-rays, all I'm seeing is a bunch of common titles though. Trying to find one that's more obscure. Yeah. Blu-ray is not worth it more. So I'm gonna go back to the DVDs. I think that's probably worth it. The 3-movie pie pack. Nope. This one's worth it. $10 plus. Yeah, I'm looking for the things you don't see every day.
Just put one.
Three, 6. Yep, the whole series of the L Word. That'll be worth it. That one's worth it. And that one's worth it. And that one's worth it. I think I'm gonna dig for a little bit. Maybe I'll pick another genre.
wasn't eventually. But right now, it seems.
So I was only in there about 45 minutes or so because I am just kind of in the area. I was meeting my mother for lunch after an appointment that she had. And so I had about 45 minutes to kill, which is why I was like, oh, I'll just head into ICT Books while I wait for my mom to get done and whatnot. So in 45 minutes, I was only able to find 15 sellable DVDs, and 6 of those 15 are actually going to be in one combined lot because I was going to do the entire series of the L Word. There are sold comps for the entire series of the L Word for $50, and there's 6 seasons, so that would be 6 times $1.25 each. So that's a $7.50 cost of good for a $50 sale. And then the 9 other DVDs that I got, I figure I can profit anywhere from $5 to $7, just depending on what the sale price is. So my estimation is that I will profit hopefully somewhere around $85 on everything that I found today in about 45 minutes. Now, in the grand scheme of things, finding an estimated $80 worth of profit in 45 minutes worth of digging, it's honestly not great. I am used to a much higher profit turnaround when I'm shopping at the bins or when I'm going out doing retail arbitrage looking for very specific items. The thing is, the DVDs, the books, everything here are only $1.25, so they're super cheap, but that comes with the exchange of time. There's a lot of Gaylords to dig through. Nothing is, I mean, the genres are categorized, but nothing is alphabetized. So you just have to kind of look and you have to dig, and it's very, very time consuming. So is this going to be something that I come and do all of the time? Probably not, but I like the idea of popping in here at least once a month if I'm already in the area to just kind of add something different to my eBay account. Give me something different to list to kind of break up the monotony of the eBay cycle, you know what I mean? But let me know down in the comments, what do you think about selling DVDs? I do know that if you're going to sell DVDs, you have to look for the more obscure things, the things that don't have a lot of copies that are floating around on eBay, because most of the DVDs you're going to find on eBay are going to be $1 or less, sometimes with free shipping. So sellers are obviously losing money when they sell these things. So if you're going to find DVDs, you have to be smart about it. You have to find the ones that are more obscure, the ones that are more difficult to find, the ones that are a little bit odd. But in the meantime, it's something fun and different that I can do to kind of change it up and keep things fresh. I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, general comments. What do you think about selling DVDs? Is it silly? Is it smart? Let me know. Also, don't forget to check the video description. I always put a lot of useful information in there, including the links to my Facebook page, my eBay account, my Nut and Candy website. All of that is down in the video description below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and ring the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I post my next video. And of course, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up before you leave. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate you for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.